Americans, wake up. Palin's husband, Todd Palin, has spent 7 years as a member of the Alaskan Independence Party, a treasonous group whose charter is committed to the ultimate independence of Alaska and who wants Alaska's rich federal oil fields to themselves. The AIP was founded by anti-American Joe Vogler, who is quoted on Alaskan Independence Party's website, "I've got no use for America or her damned institutions." Vogler was killed in 1993 during an illegal sale of plastic explosives. The prior year, Vogler renounced his allegiance to the United States, stating that the fires of hell are frozen glaciers compared to my hatred for the American government. This group is anti-American. The AIP believes Alaska's 1959 induction as a state was illegal and wants Alaska's secession from the United States and wants Alaska to be, says current chairwoman Lynette Clark, an independent nation. They would sell America their oil. Sarah Palin, while retaining Republican registration, attended AIP's 1994 convention where they called for a draft constitution to secede from the United States and create an independent nation of Alaska. She also attended AIP's 2000 convention and agreed to give a keynote address at the AIP's 2006 convention and also greeted the 2008 convention. I suppose as president she could easily enact the AIP's charter. Alaska would stop paying taxes and the rich oil fields of our nation would be the sole property of the nation of Alaska. Drill, baby, drill.